All right, so we got a vice grip, kind of modified the tip a little bit so it fits on these nails. And just a steel rod and a steel bar stock with a hole drilled in the center. And we got 7/16 threaded rod. I think the 7/16 by 14. And just show you kind of what we've been doing getting this tin out here. Kind of line it up, tap down while you squeeze on the vice grip. Clamp the head and pull the nail out. Do one more here too. Just kind of get right down. Tap it down while you squeeze. Get a good bite. Pull the nail out.